Hi, my name is Guy. This is Guy video experiment video 4. I will need vinegar and bottle and baking soda and food color. First, put the color in the bottle of vinegar and second I will put the baking soda in the balloon, and after that I will continue later after I put my balloon on the bottle. Let's continue now. I already put the balloon on the bottle, and now I will put the baking soda in the bottle. This was the balloon fill up, and that makes because acid and base reaction.